How to view and print your Geico insurance card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can view and print your Geico insurance card. You can do this through the Geico mobile app, or you can also use the web browser. If you're using a web browser, go ahead and type geico.com on the search bar and you will land on this website. Here you want to log into your account. For that, tap on this human icon. Now tap on the login option. Now enter your user ID, email or policy number, then password, and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the view ID card option. You will find this under My Account tab. Now you want to select the policy for which you want to view the insurance card. Now you should see an option to view your insurance card. If you want to further print it, you want to click on the print button. This will open a printable version of your insurance card. You can simply print the card using your printer. If you're having any trouble accessing your insurance card through the app or website, you can contact the Geico customer service for assistance. They can guide you through the process or send you a physical copy of your insurance card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.